Hello, friends. Three-tied entry, triple height drama. You step in and the world changes. Luxury isn't solitude, it is shared. Hope you agree this. Come to our community, so let's vibe, connect, and celebrate. We have so much of amenities, location, connectivity, yoga centers, and gym, everything under one community with peaceful and so much of ethically planned. Wherever you require peacefulness, you will be having a yoga center. If your kid want to play badminton, we have the professional trainers inbuilt within the community. Then you no need to worry for your extracurricular activity for the kids, which is there inside the community. If you want to rest yourself, if you want to conduct a party with your friends, and if you want to spend a quality time with your children, for everything we have options here in the name of amenity. Friends, tell me openly, if you want to purchase an apartment, so what will be your thought first? First, you will try to stay there, or else you will try to extract profit out of it. Either you give it for a rent or you give it for a lease. If you want to stay there, then you have to do architectural accordingly. So, if you want to rent out, it will give you a nice yield as well. So, investing and buying a property will be a dream of every individual. And I assure you, this Sumadhura Palace Royale will satisfy your dream to the core. And coming to the Sumadhura group, these people till now they delivered every premium project with high profit for the people who believed them and invested in their project had never faced a loss till date. So, if you people have the dream about buying an apartment, my suggestion is you can consider this apartment, so which will give you all the facilities under one compound. You will find a better community inside. So everything is crafted for elite, as I said you. The influence and the leaders who shape our world. Welcome to the Madrid Palais Royal, an architectural masterpiece that embodies the spirit of hyperpop and defines you luxury living. As you approach the three-tiered entrance lobby, you will be having the model apartment which will show you how elegant your house will be. See, now you are seeing the living, dining and kitchen, which you can do it of same model or you can design on your own. If you want to have a luxury home, all the facilities here and you can plan it according to this model house. So for that only model house has been constructed. Particularly, I like this art. So this circle art which gives you positivity. Once if you enter your home, you have to feel positive, you have to feel ventilated, you have to feel peace. If you are disturbed, you should not go out in search of anything. Everything under one community. So if you want to rest yourself, we have the resto bar here. And if you want to swim with your family, if you want to enjoy the nature standing in the balcony, for everything, we have the options here. So you may wonder where it has been located. So I will give you all the details about this apartment where it has been located. It is strategically placed in the financial district of Hyderabad between high-tech city and Neopolis. So, coming to the connectivity, it has proximity to outer ring road, enabling smooth connectivity to other parts of the city. And if the connectivity is good, next what you will search for the job people like IT hubs where it is. So, Amazon, Microsoft, and other tech companies are just minutes away. So, if the companies are nearby, then we will search for the family piece. Coming to the family piece and the lifestyle, it gives you good school. International schools are also nearby. Entertainment is also, nevertheless, you no need to compromise. See how greenery it is. You can breathe yourself. You can enjoy the sunset. You can enjoy the sunrise. See how beautiful multi-story building it has been. So totally it consists of 52 stories, and you have an elegant clubhouse which is there in the front. Clubhouse is fully equipped with so much of indoor games, cafe, and you can use it as a co-work space. You can spend chit chat and you can spend your time with your friends, or you can invite your colleagues. Everything option is available here. The design embraces biofical principle. More than 80 percentage of the area is landscaped. There is a crown facade, that is a rooftop design with a diagonal, adding both aesthetics and functional shading. And see, as I said you, if there is a good swimming pool, what else you need? You can enjoy aramse swimming. If you are if you want to do workout, and or if you want to learn something, if you want to learn swimming, for everything we have the options here. If you want to teach your kids how to swim, there is a kids swimming pool. If you want to relax yourself by doing swimming, for that also we have the options here. So totally elevated 21 meters above the ground, this gives the residents unmatched view and a sense of exclusivity. Interiors are very premium, see terraces, high grade finishes, and flexibility in layouts. See, as I said you, the quality they will never compromise. That is the trademark of Sumadhura Group. They never compromise in quality, infrastructure, and other any other thing. Okay, so totally we have 523 apartments, all luxury 4 bedroom and 5 bedroom homes, RARA approved. Then what else you want? So totally you will be having all exposure, all kind of exposure in that 7.35 acres land parcel. Entire world, it is the place where you will find the entire world where you can swim. As I don't want to bore you again and again saying the same thing, so you will find your own world in that 7.35 acres. If you want to develop your own skills, if you want to develop your kit, if you want to have a contact with many people, then this is the best community. Coming to the architecture wise, coming to your individual showcasing, for everything we will be having the options here. So don't miss the opportunity where you will be finding the joyous laughter of your children echoes from the dedicated console. For that, I guarantee you, for those who value both mind and body, our world class sports facilities, cricket nets, yoga decks, everything we have, badminton and all. Nowadays, the people are very crazy in badminton, shuttlecock, everything. You will find a partner here. You no need to worry. And we have even for like every sports, each and every sports. Not, I don't I want to crush it in the single hand. It is vast open, it is luxury. This is quite exclusive where it is floating. You will find everything in that 7.35 acres, and wonderful cafeteria where you will be having your business meetings done. If you feel light, you can go for library, music studio, everything is there. And if you want to relax yourself, you can go for supermarket, mini theater, you can book, and very indoor games, saloons, open rooftop, forest like atmosphere, tennis, basketball, cricket, zumba, everything all in one. So don't miss this opportunity. Rush yourself so that you can just find the luxury as well as peaceful in the same place. Don't miss the opportunity. So imagine living here, how you will be, and think about that. So imagine continuously, close your eyes, imagine living there. Then you will find luxury world in that 7.35 acres. I hope you will rush for this. If you want to buy, so contact us immediately on the display number or else DM me. So we'll give you all the details and support from our end. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video. Keep supporting us. If you have any doubts in real estate, please feel free to contact us, and then you can post your comment about this project if you particularly interested, or if you want to know anything about any other project, feel free to contact us. And if you have any doubts in real estate markets, what to invest, where to invest, for everything we have our expertise, so they will guide you in all aspects. And don't miss this opportunity where you will be, you can live, you can move, you can breathe yourself. So don't miss this opportunity. Become one of the part of this luxurious community. That's it. I